Limbic system. What does limbic system means? It means different areas of brain that include both gray matter and white matter. It is formed by interconnected group of brain structure, and it includes gray matter components and white matter components. First of all, gray matter components. Gray matter components are cingulate gyrus, parahippocampal area. And in this picture you can see this is a sagittal section of brain, and in this sagittal section you can see purple color structure, C-shaped purple color structure, and upper part of this is known as cingulate sulcus, while the lower portion is known as parahippocampal gyrus, and they both are combinedly known as limbic loop. Next structure of limbic system which is present in gray component is dentate gyrus. You can see here in this picture, this is hippocampal area, yellow color. In yellow color you can see hippocampal area, and medially of the hippocampal area there is a dentate gyrus. So these three component comes under the limbic system, gray component of limbic system: cingulate gyri, parahippocampal area, dentate gyrus. Next is amygdaloid body. You have studied about the basal ganglia. This is structure of basal ganglia, and you can see the the comma shaped structure, and its end is green in shape and oval in shape, and it is known as amygdala. And this amygdala is also comes under the limbic system, and it is actually amygdala is actually at the tail of caudate nucleus of basal nuclei. Okay, this comma shaped nucleus is known as caudate nucleus, and its tail is known as amygdaloid body. Next is the septal area, which is present, septal nucleus which is present in the septal area. You can see here in the yellow color, this is septal area. This is sagittal section of brain, and in the pink color area this singular cortex, and below it there is fibers, and these fibers are known as corpus callosum, which are interconnecting fibers of both cerebral hemisphere. And below the corpus callosum there is another group of fiber that is shown in blue color, which is known as fornix, and between the fornix and the corpus callosum there is yellow area which is known as septal area, and the nucleus present here, it is known as septal nucleus. So it also comes under the gray component of limbic system. So we have studied about different gray component of limbic system. First is the cingulate gyri, second is the cingulate gyri and parahippocampal gyrus, second is the dentate gyrus, hippocampal area, third is amygdaloid body, and then septal nucleus. Next is the mammillary body. Mammillary bodies are actually part of hypothalamus, which are present, they are rounded structure and that are present at the end of the hypothalamus. This is hypothalamus, and this orange color structure at the end of the hypothalamus is known as mammillary body. They also comes under the gray component of limbic system. So amygdala, you can see here amygdala and mammillary body of hypothalamus. The next is thalamus. Thalamus this big round nucleus, which is shown in red color in the center of the brain, is known as thalamus, and its anterior nucleus comes under the limbic system. So all these components together with olfactory bulb, you can see here the olfactory bulb which comes under the frontal lobe, and this olfactory bulb also one of the component of the gray matter of limbic system. So all these are the gray component of the limbic system. First is the cingulate gyri, parahippocampal area, dentate gyrus, septal nucleus, mammillary body, anterior nucleus of thalamus, and olfactory.